Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make inside out caramel apples. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 2 apples and you want to half those, and then you want to take a melon ball or something just to scoop out the inside, the seeds and a lot of the insides, but you want to make sure it's still sturdy. And you can see I just did mine and they are already starting to brown. Then you need 2 tablespoons of butter melted, a 1/4 cup of water, 16 of the Kraft caramels, a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips if you want to add those, and then 3 tablespoons of cinnamon sugar. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 375, and then we're just going to place our apples in here and pour the water down into the pan. That's just to make sure the apples don't burn. Next, we are just going to brush the insides with our melted butter, the insides of the apples. Now we are going to sprinkle these with probably about half of our cinnamon sugar mixture. Okay, these are ready to go into the oven for 15 minutes at 375. All right, my apples just came out of the oven, and I immediately put my 4 caramels in each one and a good heaping of my chocolate chips. I still have a lot of chocolate chips left though. I think in the original recipe, whoever made this, it was probably just a lot bigger apples than mine, so you could adjust those according to how big your apples are. So we're going to get this back into the oven for at least 10 minutes, maybe 15. All right, these just came out of the oven and they are super hot, but now is when you can add more cinnamon sugar if you want. You can add more chocolate chips. It is totally up to you, but we're going to let these cool off before we let Taste Tester have a little taste. Right, I have one here for Taste Tester. He wanted sprinkles on his, of course. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween.